Here are our homemade chocolate and Oreo waffles. Our Oreo waffles are garnished with sugar-free chocolate syrup, whipped cream, Oreo cookie crumbles, and strawberry. Our chocolate waffle is garnished with sugar-free chocolate syrup, whipped cream, and fresh strawberry. Our flour for our Oreo, which consists also of our cane sugar in it and a little bit of our Himalayan salt. And we're using self-rising flour. When you use self-rising flour, you don't need baking powder nor baking soda. It's already all incorporated for you. Now with our wet, which I already have here, has vanilla in it, vanilla extract. Our butter is also incorporated in here. We also have milk. We have buttermilk and milk, an egg, which you can see the yolk right there. Our Oreos, so that's for our Oreo. Now our chocolate flour, which is in here with the cocoa powder. And we already have our sugar incorporated in here, Himalayan salt, which is in here. And we have a little bit of coffee, which you can see there. And the coffee actually brings out the flavor of the chocolate, and vanilla extract and buttermilk and regular milk and our egg. So we'll get to mixing. Here's our vitamin content. My name is Chef Fran, and today we're gonna do something special for you. So today we're gonna do a chocolate waffle. Not just a chocolate waffle, but cookies and cream for the inner kid in us. So we're gonna do cookies and cream, which consists of chocolate, because we're going to use the chocolate Oreo and of course chocolate waffles. And here are a list of ingredients. I'm going to finish sifting our flour, our sugar, our cocoa powder, and our coffee, which was in here, and our salt, which was the dry ingredient. As you can see, some of it here. And I'm going to finish putting it in here, so that way it can be light and airy, our waffles. And then I'm going to incorporate our wet together. Now that we have this incorporated, we're now going to combine our regular milk with the egg and the vanilla extract. We're just going to gently beat this, gently whisk this together. We're adding our buttermilk, and this will help give us a fluffy and soft waffle. I am pouring my liquid mixture of eggs, melted butter, vanilla extract, and buttermilk into my dry ingredients. I'm going to get our Belgian waffle maker heated up, and then we're going to do the Oreo together. Okay, I've mixed everything in, and we're just trying to get out the air bubbles that's in here. So just keep stirring. I just placed our waffle batter on our waffle maker, and we're getting ready to make our chocolate waffles. Closing our lid on our waffle maker and flipping it over, that way our waffles can cook evenly. So now we have our dry here, and this is our wet. So I'm going to just whisk it up really quickly, and I'm going to incorporate it like I did with the chocolate, which is now cooking. I wish we all had smell-o-vision, that you could smell the chocolate aroma. Okay, and so I'm just gonna pour this inside my dry. This is our Oreo batter. Now, I know a lot of people love Oreo cookies, so this is a chocolate person's delight here. And again, because you don't want to overbeat your batter, and because it has buttermilk in here, it's just best that you just fold. Gently fold and keep folding, so that way you don't overbeat your batter. Wow, look at our chocolate waffle. Whoa, look at this. Chocolate lover's dream right here. Oreo waffles and chocolate waffles with chocolate syrup. And of course, we got our strawberry here. So, let me taste. Wow. Wow, 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 wow. If you love Oreos, this is definitely it. It's really light and fluffy and airy because the buttermilk, the waffle, but that Oreo taste comes right through. Really good, guys. Let's do chocolate. Oh my gosh. I'm telling you, this is a chocolate lover's dream for real. Absolutely delicious. And the thing is that it's not overly sweet. It has just the right sweetness to it. You could taste a little bit of the coffee. Very, very slight, because coffee generally brings out chocolate, the taste of chocolate. I did add a little cinnamon in my dry, so you do taste that richness of the cinnamon mixed with the chocolate. Kind of gives you like a Mexican hot cocoa, where you kind of taste the spices. It is absolutely delicious. Please definitely try this. Comment below. Let me know if you did try this and how it turned out for you. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so when we put out weekly content that you can know. Also, don't forget to click the like button. When you do that, it's like you give us a virtual hug. Subscribe for more delicious recipes and vitamin details. Also, your support will continue to allow my channel to grow.